It is no longer news that Grok is no longer free. Like that is even a thing of the past, but then life goes on, right? Remember, tough times doesn't last, but only tough people do. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a perfect alternative that you can use to animate your videos. All right, in case you're into the faceless niche and you're using AI voices with still images, I want you to know that you are not going to get monetized. You need to animate your images. Okay, don't just convert your scripts to voiceover and then you start attaching still images. YouTube is not going to monetize you. That's just the truth. You need to animate those images, and I'm going to be showing you guys a perfect alternative that you can use instead of Grok on this video. All right, it is actually very easy and it is free, guys. It is very free. It has a paid version, but compared to all other website I've seen so far, guys, I prefer this 1,000 times. Even though when I started my AI journey, I was actually using this tool very well before I later switched to Grok. And it's actually a good thing that after Grok has left us, this tool is still here to help us out. So by this time, I already assume you have your scripts and your images and whatever that you need to animate. In case you don't know how to do that, in case you don't know how to animate or you don't know how to generate your scripts, I'll be attaching a video where I did a step-by-step on how to generate your scripts and how to do this Bible animation, either a prayer or Bible story, anyone that you want to venture into. Make sure you go and watch that video. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go straight to this particular tutorial to show you guys this tool that you can use instead of paying for Grok or other apps. Okay, this is actually more seamless and easy. So guys, the name of this tool is Digen AI. A lot of you are already familiar with it. I'm going to show you guys how to use this particular app in order to get the best out of it. So you just head straight to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Okay, either your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Then you go ahead and type Digen AI. Okay, look at it, Digen. Look at it here, the first one here. Go ahead and click on it and it will open up. So if you don't have the app, it will show you an option where you need to download it. Look at the logo very well so that you won't go and download the wrong one. So you go ahead and open. Already I have the app, so I'll just go ahead and click open. You're actually going to use your email to sign in. Okay, make sure you sign in, very important. Once you sign in with your email, they're going to give you free 300 credits, and what they actually do here is they charge you 20 credits per video. Before you exhaust the 300 credits, you might have generated at least, let's say, 10 to 15 videos in a day. All right, so another good thing is you can actually switch accounts, guys. You can switch accounts just like the way we were doing during the time of Grok. You can switch your accounts, and as many accounts as you can be switching and be creating your videos. All right, now this particular account, as you guys can see, I only have 30 credits because I actually used it to generate videos earlier. So let me switch to another email that I haven't used at all so that you guys will see the 300 credits that I'm talking about. Okay guys, actually this particular account I have 260 credits. I have used about 40 already. All right, so what you're going to do is, once you use your email address to sign in, this is the interface it is going to show you. So you go ahead and click on create with this purple icon at the top of your screen, then you allow it to load. All right, once it loads, this is the interface it's going to be showing you. In some cases to show you some cartoon looking images like that, but if it doesn't show you, it's still okay. All right, so you click on this aspect ratio that is showing 9:16 here. Once you click on it, you can go ahead and either you click to add image, or you click on this photo icon behind, anyone you want to do. So let me just click on this add image and I will choose the image I want to animate from where my photos are. At this point, I might have generated my photos and everything. So in case yours is not ready or you don't know how to do it, go and watch the video I created on how to do this. All right, so I'll go ahead and select the image I want to animate. So let me just select this particular one. Then you allow it to load. Once your image has loaded successfully, this is what you're going to see. What you're going to be doing next is you're going to click on prompt. All right, now you go back to ChatGPT or anywhere that your prompt is. That is the particular prompt that you want to use. That's the video prompt now that you want to use to animate your image. So I'll go back to ChatGPT, okay, and look at the particular prompt for that particular scene. Okay guys, so I'll copy it. I'll go ahead and copy the prompt for that particular video. Then I'll come back to Digen AI here. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to come back here and then look at this place that's showing voice. So you toggle this on. Mine is on. If yours is like this, you go ahead and toggle it on, or you can actually write a description. So me, I don't even want my character to say anything, so I'll just put cinematic background sound Okay, if you want your character to kind of say something, or there is a dialogue, or your script is in a dialogue form, you're going to click on this talk. Once you click on the talk, you can, write whatever you want your character to say here. All right, and then you click on this pen icon. They will charge you 10 credits. That means in each of your video creation, if they charge you 10 credits for this voice here, then plus the 20 credit, because each video you create, they will charge you 20 credits. So if you're using a dialogue, that means you'll be using 30 credits per video. But if you are not using any form of dialogue, you just want your images to move, you just want to animate your image, it will just charge you 20. So for the sake of this video, I don't want my character to actually say anything, so I'll go ahead and click on generate. Now you guys see, this is actually fast. It will not even get to up to 2 minutes. So it's showing me 2 minutes here, but it's not going to be up to 2 minutes, depending on the crowd or the people that are actively using the app at that particular time. So you guys, let's wait and see what it's going to give us. Okay, in case you've not watched the video on how to generate your scripts and how to create your images, please, I'll be linking the video that I made a tutorial on how to create animated Bible stories step by step, and I showed you guys everything that you need to know there, so you can go there and watch it. All right, now our video is almost ready, guys. Let's just give it a little time and it will be ready. Guys, can you guys see that? So if you want to save, just click on this arrow here, this arrow that is pointing downward inside this half box, like, look at it here. Just click on it, and then automatically your video will save. So good. Can you guys see video saved successfully? So this is actually easier for me compared to others. So we're going to quickly animate another one so that you guys can understand. Just click on change image. So guys, you're going to head back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt. That is the prompt that you want to use to animate your image. Okay, so you go ahead and click on this prompt here and you paste it right here. Okay, this place is showing you prompt control video, blah blah blah, and the rest. So please, if you're using the free version, leave it at 5 seconds, and for you to know that this is actually going to work, you're going to see this prompt where this prompt is written. You're going to see it in this purple color. This purple color will show on it, and then here, this particular place that you're seeing something like a voice, logo, something like that. So you click on it. This second one, not this one that has talk, the second one here that has a star under it. So you click on it. Now you're going to turn this on. Even though we don't even need any sound, we just want our images or the people in the images to be moving and be making some body gestures. So just make sure you toggle this on. This is off. So once you toggle it on, this is what is going to be showing you. So if you want any specific sound that you want it to be making, you can go ahead and write it here or paste it here, but we don't actually need that because we're going to even be muting some of the videos. All right, but then I can just put cinematic cam sound. All right, then I'll go ahead and click it. Now what you're going to be doing next is you click on generate. Make sure that this place that is written prompt is showing you purple like this, and this other place, if you want to add music, you can actually add music, and there are other things there to actually check out, but we're not going to be using it. So we'll go ahead and click on generate. Guys, this is actually faster compared to others, like the ones I've seen. Comparing this to other websites, this is actually faster. This normally take, let's say, 1 to 2 minutes. In some cases just 1 minute, depending on the number of people that are currently using the app. All right, so mostly if you want to enjoy it, you can use it early in the morning or in the night when there are lesser people online. Not even when I say in the night, I don't mean around that, maybe 8, 9, but anything from 10, it will be more faster. Maybe it won't even be up to 1 minute, but anything, when people are active from, let's say, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m., you will see the queue will be long. So look at here, I actually have almost 93, but then still, guys, before you know it, it will be ready. So just give it time. At this point, if you have anything doing, you can actually go and do it, but I would advise you to just stay like this and monitor it, because the more you stay and monitor it, the faster it even generates. So let's wait for it to generate so that we'll see what we have. Guys, as you can see, our video is ready. Trust me, it didn't even take up to 1 minute. Sometimes it will show you 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 4 minutes, but it might not even be up to that. So let's see what we have, guys. So guys, can you guys see it? Let me play it again so that you guys. So guys, this is it, and your video is ready. So you go ahead and click on this arrow button that is showing down, and it's going to automatically save your video. Can you guys see video saved successfully? Now if you want to generate your next scene, video, what you're going to do, just click on this cancel, and this time around just tap on the image and it's going to show you click to change image. So you go ahead and click. You can actually still use the first method by tapping this photo icon behind it, but you just go ahead and click on this change image, and then you go to your photo library again, and then you choose any of the images again. That's how you continue to do. Once you exhaust the 300 credits in this particular account, you switch to your other account. Now let me quickly take you guys to CapCut and show you guys briefly how you can edit your video and remove the Digen AI watermark. Okay, so you go ahead and click on the videos that we just generated. Now once you click on it, you check the aspect ratio, make sure it's in 16:9. So I'll quickly change it to 16:9. Then next, what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to just zoom this. Okay, just zoom it a little bit, then you just adjust it down in a way that it will hide. As you guys can see, look at it, the logo is no longer showing. The logo is no longer showing. So all you need to do is you just do it like this, and once all your clips are ready, you can go ahead and import your voiceover and add it over here, depending on the voiceover that you want to use. So that is just it, guys. This is another easy way to animate your videos. You can use it for any niche you're doing, whether you're into the storytelling niche or the faceless animation niche, any niche at all, guys. You can go ahead and use Digen AI. So that is just it, guys. That is just it. If you find this video helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in my next. Bye.